Mission Society, redefining excellence.
Good morning, friends. My name is Prasanna Rahul Chitore, and I am from Civil Engineering Department, Jhil Polytechnic, Nare. We are here to discuss about a topic of impacts of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission. Our group members are Akshay Chinnalal Shah, Suraj Shrikant Nave, Rishikesh Vikas Fashilkar, Abhijit Ramprasad Dete. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India mission was set by Indian government in 2019. The goal was to improve the solid waste management. It was the same version of Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan which was launched by government in 2009 which failed to complete its goal. We are here to discuss about the objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission. So, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission is basically divided into two phases. The first phase is for creating awareness into the people and taking care of changing the behavior of these people. The second phase aims to improve management of solid waste and liquid waste.
Hello guys, myself Akshay Chunla Shah. I am also in this group named as C04 of Civil Department. So now I am going to tell you about the campaign. This mission was split in two areas, urban and rural. As in Graman area, it was financed and monitored through the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, whereas in urban areas, it was overseen by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Other activities included national real-time monitoring and updates from non-governmental organizations such as the Ugly Indian, Waste Warriors and Swachh Pune, which are the solid waste collection and handling. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is expected to cost over 620 rupees billion. The government provides an intensity of 12,000 to the family to build a toilet in rural areas. An amount of 90 billion rupees was allotted for the mission in 2016 Union Budget of India. The program has also received funds and technical support from the World Bank corporations as part of corporate social responsibilities initiatives and by state governments under the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan scheme. Now let's start with another topic, which is changes and impactfulness of this Abhiyan. More than 100 million individual household level toilets have been constructed in rural areas and 6 million household toilets in urban areas is being constructed. In addition, nearly 6 million community and public toilets has also been constructed in urban areas. Consequently, 4,234 cities and more than 6 lakh villages across the country have declared themselves open defecation free, that is ODF. Further, more than 81.5 thousand wards in urban areas are now 100% door-to-door collection of solid waste and nearly 65,000 wards practice 100% segregation of waste at source. Of the nearly 150,000 metric tons of solid waste generated in urban areas, 65% is being processed. World Health Organization (WHO) has in its report stated that at least 1,80,000 diarrheal deaths were averted in rural areas. 71% of rural households had access to toilets as of 2018. Through this was at odds with Indian government's claim in 2019 that 95% of rural households have access to toilets. This program leads to the reduction in incidence of sexual assaults against women. Let's start with another topic, which is the target and results of this mission. This mission was implemented with a target-driven approach. Villages, districts, towns and cities and even states declared themselves open defecation free ODF based on achievement of construction targets. In 2018, the waste pickers of Swachh expanded their footprints to reach of a total of 1,50,000 slum properties, reducing the number of containers and chronic spots in the cities significantly. The cooperative is now covering over 70% of the city, ensuring daily segregated waste collection from citizens' doorsteps while generating sustainable livelihoods for one of the poorest and most marginalist section of our society. The user-free based system has ensured high transparency, direct accountability to citizens and saved PMC almost 100 crores in 2018.
Hi, my name is Suraj Ninave. I'm from the same group CE04 and today I'll be explaining about Swachh Pune. Swachh Pune covers around 70% of Pune. To become a successful, sustainable and social enterprise of waste picker aiming to improve their living conditions along with the focus of sustainable social waste management. It aims to engage a entrepreneurial workshop of waste pickers into an efficient, responsive, and accountable organization and work in partnership with municipal solid waste system to transfer the solid waste situation in Pune. It also aims to envision a society in social, just, economical, equitable, cultural, plural, political, democratic, environmental, sustainable, and peaceful of human. Door-to-door collection of waste is an important service offered by Swachh Pune to the citizens. Swachh also offers other products and programs and services through Swachh Plus, which aims to involve citizens in recycling and sustainable living. Swachh Pune work done and conducted includes We Collect, recycling trails, red dot awareness, composting services, waste collection and events, E-Collect, MLP collection, Nirmalay collection.
Hi, I am Rishikesh Vasilkar. I am from this group and I am going to explain environmental impact. Waste collected daily 10 lakh 92,000, annually 39 crore 85 lakh 80,000. Waste recycled daily 1 lakh 96,560, annually 7 crore 17 lakh 44,400. Removing annual emission from 39,195 passenger vehicles. Conserving 2 crore 7 lakh 72,887 gallons of gasoline. Carbon sequestered by 30 lakh 52,549 tree seedling grown for 10 years. On serving 3 lakh 8,612 barrel of oil. Conserving 1 crore 48 lakh 85,846 gallon of gasoline. Carbon sequestered by 21 lakh 87,452 tree seedling grown for 10 years. I am going to explain waste collection and recycling by Swachh waste pickers. Total properties in Pune 12 lakh. Total population of Pune 40 lakhs. Total properties covered by Swachh waste pickers 8 lakh 40,000. Total population serviced by Swachh waste pickers 33 lakh 60,000. Total number of waste picker integrated under Swachh 3500. Properties per waste picker 240.
Hello, I am Abhijit Dethe from this group. I am going to explain environmental impact bar chart. Here, green bar shows the total daily waste collected and blue bar shows the total annually waste collected. Pie chart of waste collection and recycling by Swachh waste pickers. Green color shows the total properties in Pune. Blue color shows the total population in Pune. Brown color shows the total properties covered by Swachh waste pickers. Orange color shows the total population serviced by Swachh waste pickers. Light blue color shows the total number of waste pickers integrated under Swachh. Yellow color shows the properties per waste picker.
Seal Education Society. Redefining excellence.